Prynawn da, croeso pawb. Good afternoon, welcome everybody. By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I would like to invite our Vice-Chancellor, Professor Osama Khan, to speak to you. Please be seated.
Anrihethis diprwy ganghethor, an wyl gafiatilion, vonedgion a vonedgias ai, croeso canes, yon I Frifysgol de Cymru. Welcome to the University of South Wales and to our fabulous graduation ceremony. Here in the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841. An institution set up by industry to raise aspiration and bring education to workers in the region. We are, of course, long past those founding moments, but much of the vision set almost 200 years ago remains today. Mae'r Prifysgol a byd busnes wedi gweithio ac an gweithio'n law an llaw. Means the university and the business world have worked and are working hand in hand. Our university is proud that it works in partnership with business, industry, and the public sector, preparing people for work and future careers that we hope will allow individuals to reach the heights of their talent. And as I look at you all here today, looking beautiful, fantastic in your gowns, and so happy to have reached this point of celebration, I don't actually see you as a crowd. I see individuals, distinctive people with your own character and reasons for being here. Some of you will have joined us straight from school or college, others already in work and wanting to up skills. And there are those of you that have taken the brave step to move your lives from another country. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey with us. In fact, recently I met one of our alumnus of the university who successfully managed to complete not one, not two, but 6 degrees with us. So be careful. We can be very touching, very difficult place to live altogether. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complex world that isn't always easy to navigate. We also live in a world that evidently needs a lot of change. We need people who can effect positive and real change, people who aren't satisfied with the things the way they are. You will need to face the future courageously, to challenge and innovate, be inclusive, and work within your communities to create a society which is more equal without doing damage to our environment or the well-being of others. The world expects so much more from you as graduates. And I know this seems like a big ask. That doesn't mean we are asking you to single-handedly change the world. You can be that change in your chosen profession, be that in your hospital, your school, your company, your forces, or your immediate team. Big change usually happens when you put together a lot of small changes, but by a lot of people. We have a proverb in Wales which derives from the legend of the Mabinogion, the story of Branwen, and it goes like this: Avo ben bid bond. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. You will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled each other to reach heights not possible alone. I also know that many of you will have created memories and lifelong friendship that will last forever. As I welcome you today to our community of graduates, I would like to remind you that in any good community, we draw on others for support, to challenge us when we aren't doing the right thing, to guide and advise us on making difficult decisions, and to make us feel like we belong. No matter how hard it gets, always do the right thing, even you're the only person doing it. I like to think that the University of South Wales, underpinned by our values of being professional, inspiring, creative, responsive, and collaborative, that our intention as a community are good. To help you change your life and our world for the better. And we hope that we have given you the knowledge, skills, and the resilience to do just that. Life is not straightforward, and we all have bumps in the road. So as well as having talent and passion to pursue your dream, be pragmatic enough to give yourself a break. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath, draw on your intellect, and then reflect before trying again. It's just a moment in your life and career. And today is an important moment in your life. Today we celebrate your achievements. During your time at USW, you have been part of a faculty where students have explored the world from the rainforest and coral reefs of Belize, pushed the boundaries of flight and aircraft design, built new connections with global technology communities, and helped place USW among the leading university rocketry team in the UK. From award-winning aeronautical engineering to the national success of Rocketry Society to the launch of Wales' first Google Developer Group on-campus chapter, these achievements show the energy, the curiosity, and ambition that run through this community. They are also a reminder that work you have done here matters to industry, to science, to technology, to our environment, to the future you will now help to shape. Your job for today is to feel very proud of yourself, to look fabulous, to take a lots of photos, maybe even shed a tear or two. The weather is beautiful out there with a breeze and a beautiful red dragon waiting for you to take all those selfies for your TikTok or Insta, whatever you prefer. To help in that, I also have an ask of everyone sitting behind our graduates. Your job is to make sure that whenever your family member or friend walks across this stage, they are in no doubt how proud you are of them. You can do that by any way you want, by clapping loudly, by shouting their name, by whistling or whooping. All are legitimate. In fact, it's actually required. But before we celebrate you, I want to pause and recognize something very important. No one reaches a day like this entirely on their own. Behind every graduate here today, there will be people who have helped make this moment possible. For many of you, that support will have come from families and friends who have stood beside you through the highs and the difficult days. They may have supported you financially, morally, spiritually, or simply by believing in you when you need it most. They have made sacrifices, offered encouragement, listened with patience, and reminded you why this journey mattered. So today is also their day. It is a day for those who have traveled alongside you proudly and lovingly, and who share in the joy of seeing you reach this stage, not just the stage, but the stage of your life as well. I also want to recognize the people of the University of South Wales, my lovely colleagues, who have supported your journey. Here on the stage and across the campus, our academic colleagues bring innovative, industry-relevant, and career-focused teaching into your courses, helping you to connect knowledge with practice and ambition with opportunity. They have inspired you, they believed in you, they helped you when you felt this can't be helped. And alongside them, our professional services colleagues whose work is sometimes less visible, but absolutely essential. They support students, care for our campuses, keep our services running, help create the student experience that allows learning and belonging and success to happen. To all of those colleagues, academics, and professional services alike, thank you. Thank you for the part you have played in helping our graduates reach this proud moment. Now, graduates, I'm now going to ask you to do something. If you're able, could you please stand up? Please look around this room and show your appreciation for the families and friends, teachers, and professional services staff who have helped you reach this day. Let the world know that they have been appreciated. Thank you very much. Please be seated. And so in closing, as you walk across the stage here today, collect your award and doff your hat to the Pro-Chancellor, I want you to hold one word at the forefront of your mind: pride. In Welsh, balchdar. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of your potential for great things. Be proud of yourself, who you are, and not who others want you to be. You will always be part of this wonderful University of South Wales family. We are and always will be very proud of each and every one of you. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Graddio iddo fod yn hesbas I elofoi, brifosgol ec I baiwb sydd yma'n brifsonol a gomhelir genhwiad o brifosgol di Gymru ein minas gesniod ar a 30 o Gorffennaf 2026. Heddiw ei ryddion esnogohigian sydd oedi profi dro diasgas roedd ei hymdrech ysgol hogiad bod anal yan gomoes gael ei darban ar gyfer gradau gymestorau brifosgol drwy ei brod fi garhediad godoeg iar reini sydd yma'n bresnol gydnabod hayam roeniaid a dathal Clidian binsodon ayen go betian an discoyo yad andodon yam betio a badant an roy talent I desk kerbon a profession and kami nadai hedaron a bedant an kavrani at deftol and kamtidias gadaek ayen red a cloed.
Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 13th day of July 2026. Today, we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science candidates that have been admitted to the award the Doctor of Philosophy. Yamama Mohammed Abdul Razzaq, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Load Frequency Control for Electric Water Heater using dB scan algorithm in real time. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Ervil Davies, Dr. Lahiba Abrahim, and Dr. Christopher Tubb, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. Mohammed Morshidul Alam, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Improving the Performance of Re-Entry Vehicle in Hypersonic Flow by Morphing Nose Cone by Biomimicking Honeybee Abdomen. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Mohammed Mohammed, Dr. Talak Maksud, and Dr. Imran Afghan, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. Antonio Jorge da Silva Morgado, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Intelligent and Dynamic Spectrum Management for Beyond 5G. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Jonathan Rodriguez and Dr. Shahid Mumtaz, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. Joseph Goldsworthy, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Metal Complexes of Functionalized Phenylethrogene-based ligands and their application towards the transformation of CO2. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Rosanildo da Costa, Professor Gareth Owen, and Professor Alan Gooey, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science, in collaboration with Tata Steel UK Limited. Jordan Isabel Oliver, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Optimising the Wider Energy Metabolome of Microbes Using Targeted UHPLC MSMS present in bioelectrochemical systems for carbon dioxide conversion to platform chemicals. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Richard Dinsdale and Professor Anthony Davies, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science, in a collaboration with the Royal Academy of Engineering. Nibachita Bardan Promi, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Research on Dual-Axis Solar Tracking Systems Using AI-Controlled Boost Converter for Sustainable Energy Solutions. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Mian Hamad Nazir, Dr. Jiping Bai, and Dr. Silvan Gunalan Sivanathan, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Sciences. Emily Elizabeth Creedy, in recognition of a programme of work entitled An Investigation into the Effectiveness of Laser Ignition for Hybrid Rocket Motors. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Lashana Gala, Dr. Philip Charlesworth, and Dr. Kang Lee, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. Rakshika Mudian Seligay, in recognition of a program of work entitled Development of Advanced Analytical Techniques for Microplastic Detection in Environmental Samples. The program of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Adam Henley, Professor Sandra Estevez, and Dr. Tim Patterson, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. The Master of Science in Aeronautical Engineering, Doan Vintanle. Vedavias Rukalaboina. Shresht Harshad Sharma. The Master of Science in Aviation Engineering and Management, Zulsa Mark Chio. Janathina Mani Maran. The Master of Science in Civil Engineering Environmental, Atul Chako Sabu. Mohammed Nahid Hassan. Suleiman. The Master of Science in Civil Engineering Structural, Yasiru Kakanamge. And Ruthan and Palakan. Mehran Gul. Roderick Kipiegon. Arinze Damien Obiekwe. Joshua Oluwadiye. Joseph Tanui. The Master of Science in Construction Project Management, Mushahid Ashraf. Mohammed Bilal. Rajitha Chityala. Keshava Ganganagari. Shalini Araklage. Enseosa Ogiku. Olusei Adebothe. James Osu Agwu. Naveen Pulivathi. Usman Sunusi. The Master of Science in Electronics, Saicharan Gundapuneini. The Master of Science in Electronics and Information Technology, Farabi Gulandaz. Farzana Yasmin Lamia. Saif Ullah. The Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Rio Mazbin Khalid. The Master of Science in Mechanical Systems Engineering, Mehdi Hassan Juel. Sahidu Zaman Shovu. The Master of Science in Professional Engineering, Theophilus Ekuma. The Master of Science in Renewable Energy and Sustainable Technology, Tanjid Ahmed. Shaiti Asan. Mohammed Aitizaz. Olumoriti Akinsiru. John Amadi. Umair Arshad. Rizwan Arshad. Muhammad Arslan. Asad Ayub. Mohammed Bouian. Faith Chepkairor. Prudence Chirono. Bodron Ethan. Kenneth Egbe. Syed Gilani. Nadun He Wavi Thana. Sajjad Hussain. Maheen Imran. Mohammed Kabio. Shazeb Khalid. Hamza Khalil. Parfode Khan. Wafi Ullah Tanvir Khan. Sandeep Kumar. Emmanuel Etta Mbora. Shahzada ul Mulk. Ali Munir. Muhammad Muslim. Zacchaeus Owoade. Mohammed Abdul Rahim. Sabir Ahmed Ridoy. Rutise Sangtam. Prasanna Senarath Arachi. Muhammad Shuvo. Muhammad Abu Taher. Muhammad Borhan Udin. The Master of Science in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Suzanne Anthony. Aniket Ghosh. Clinton Oguchi Eheme. Anoniso Okwa. Abisoa Olaniran. Rosairola Lagay Pereira. Shijith Pulkadavath. Glenal Sanjay Quadros. Vinojan Sivathasan. The Integrated Master of Engineering in Aeronautical Engineering, Joshua Brandon James Bullock. The Integrated Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Alexia Evans. Kiara Lynch. Rhys William Morgans. Thomas Roberts. Millie Withers. The Integrated Master of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Jasmine Jaji. The Bachelor of Engineering in Aeronautical Engineering, Anouar Alawi. Chiagozim Festus Nwigwe. Khadijatul Kaba. Trevor Perata Malambo. Artem Petrick. Adam Rowlands. Janoshan Sukitharan. The Bachelor of Engineering in Aerospace Engineering, Amber Gladden. Jean-Wilfred Gogo. Mithuni Arachligi. Vinci Keeley. Ben Lang. Andrew Sutton. Oliver Thorne. Thomas Udall. The Bachelor of Engineering in Automotive Engineering, Felix Aitken. Hemaswaran Jayabalan. Brahim Uklish. Binura Pulahinge. Hamza Yassin. The Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Matthew Bevan. Corey Harrison Brown. Lewis David. Ibrahim Hassan. Dominic Henson. Jack Power. Matthew Rees. Dilection Stefan. The Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Isa Atif. Mohammed Danaj Bathur. David Maxon Brown. Fatima Safi Hashi. Kyle Francis Johnson. William Lewis. Taha Sabir. Tohib Olayemi Sanusi. Mohammed Taher. Samuel White. The Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Ali Arshad. Ryan Collins. Matthew Elworthy. Fionn Harding. Muhammad Naeem. Ryan Oliver. Ethan Olbolston. Zachary Price. Ahmed Salawi. Loerella Renosha Sella. Emmanuel Smith. Yusuf Yusuf. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Engineering and Maintenance Systems, Tran Nayat Twan. Farhan Ahmad. Isra Al-Rifai. Saqib ibn Alam. Jishan Al-Mujadid Al-Fi. Shamir Ali. Amos Matthew Outer. Deegan Barua. Mohammed Furkan Ahmad Butt. Wijamuni de Silva. Sanjana Domba Hapathi Ragege. Peter Ede. Scott Hasler. Dean Hawley. Iftekrul Islam. Sharon Kalubowila. Abdul Mateen. Mohammed Mazahir. Mahmoudul Mahedi. Sumaya Mim. Yeamin Nahian. Jacenthru Chirathlal. Merub Niloy. Sithuni Patharana. Mehedi Al Mamoon Prince. Ashikur Raman. Muhammad Ali Raza. Samia Goni Alif Rosa. Simon Schwen Poole. Taspia Jaman Simran. Salman Farsi Srabon. Hassam Muin Udin. Ashley Williams. Zi Hag Wong. Hafiz Muhammad Zaid. Ahmed Nabil Ziauddin.
Pleser da fi cyhoeddi bod ni wedi cyrraedd hanner amser. Felly, fe wnawn ni nawr glywed ddaganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We will now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. A tra bod nhw'n paratoi, mae dyn ni ffilm fer mwyn dathlu rhai o'r llwyddiannau eleni o Brifysgol De Cymru. While our performers take a brief moment to set up, please enjoy this short film celebrating the university's impact over the past year. Thank you, diolch.
The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Muhammad Abdullah. Saumya Acharya. Al-Faisal Al-Bahi. Tristan Barnes. Jack Batakan. Hayden Michael Cowdry. Hamza Dar. Hugo Louis Kenwyn Fowler. Ahmed Yamin Gassim. Ethan Hannan. Abdul Munaim Hussein. Maha Baduge Jayasuriya. Daniel Jones. Ricardo Levy. Kira Louise Lyons. Umar Mohammed Wasim. Hassan Mishamu. Ahmed Zidan Mukhtar. Leah Ryan. Mohammed Mija Sharif. Jude Ahmed Shiham. Troy Smitten. Anthony Vigrowski. Aaron Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Building Surveying, Christopher Cousins. Sophie Pierce. Robert Shawnee. Brinley Thomas. Toby Thomas. The Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Lewis Cross. Michael Crothers. Jared Rees Cushion. Daria Day. Stephanie Dyson. Liam Enoch. Matteo Graciaola. Samuel Greenaway. Caniston Gunaratnam. Beth Holman. Max Hooper. Naveen Raj Jayaharan. Amy Jones. Benjamin Lewis. Owen Lloyd. William Milford. Oscar Morgan. Cameron Morgan Watkins. Robert Rees. Ellery Stevens. Ewan Warwick. The Bachelor of Science in Construction Project Management, Quasim Balogun. Gareth Brunnock. Judaroy Christie Nanaraje. Ethan Griffin. Thomas Harris. Graham Heath. Matthew Jeffries. Becca Jones. Alina Karamuzis Jones. Emily McLaughlin. Naim Mollick. Panache Muchekwa. Oluwati Milihin Olabisi. Selvi Suna. The Bachelor of Science in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Gareth James Bates. Mackenzie Burt. David Clissold. Lewis Cook. Odem Wingsi Egwakun. Josh Evans. Avishka Kankana Melage. Nicholas Hankin. Musa Fiu Olalekan. Caleb Hardwick. Jade Aisha Parry. Mervyn Powell. Amal Ravindran. Lewis Rees. Larita Shah. Kajanthan Thrirupuka Lusingam. Ewan Sheridan. Joshua Thomas. Ryan James Turner. Thomas Turner. Samuel Wade. Rebecca White. Cameron Williams. Lewis Williams. Peter Williams. Charlie Wills. The Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science, Rosie Brinkworth. Daisy Edwards. Morgan Edwards. Aka Gui. Marcus Holland. Daryl Anthony Owen. Finlay Pernell. Denise Wheeler. The Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Scott Gibson. Gavin Gwynn. Connor Marsden. Scott Morby. Rush Rahman. Aramal Shibu. The Bachelor of Science in Natural History, Abigail Gilbert. Alicia Jones. Neo Seabal. The Bachelor of Science in Natural History and Media, Naomi Flukes. Jovan Pierre Lonco. Inga Rosa. The Bachelor of Science in Quantity Surveying and Commercial Management, Isabella Constantine. Rhys Darney. Ella Mae Duggan. Liam James Evans. Kian Faridi. Jessica Griffiths. Ian Higgs. Amy Hughes. Jacob Morgan Hunt. Tia Huntley. Josh Hussey. Harvey Jones. Michael Jones. Ritu Kumbalka. Daniel McCarthy. Dylan Morris. Regan Nixon. William Thomas Paniers. Ashley Poole. Liam Richards. Kevin Rosser. Lucy Sanders. William Scott. Michelle Seal. Will Trahan. Joshua Vaughan. Savannah Williams. Dewey Wood. Sushoban Zanane. Higher National Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Coleg Gwent Crosskeys, Gareth Menzies. Higher National Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Richard Nurse. Higher National Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Coleg Gwent Crosskeys, Leo Williams. Higher National Certificate in Built Environment, Jake Davey. Jonathan Foster. Ivona Monica Grelak. Mark Nigel James. Charlotte Lloyd. Elizabeth Martin. Livia Reifer. Jack Cyril Short. James Story. Christopher Thomas. Higher National Certificate in Built Environment, Coleg Gwent, Newport, Adam Atcher. Mackenzie Ford. Rachel Elizabeth Goulding. Craig Goodrich. Joanne Owen. Higher National Certificate in Civil Engineering, Mason Davies. Georgina Edwards. Ellis Evans. Thomas Hawkins. Martin Jones. Thomas Shaw. Higher National Certificate in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Coleg Gwent Crosskeys, Joel Gilbert. Gareth Giles. Kieran Jessup. Ethan Jordan. Jolyn Long. Matt Stewart. Joshua Taylor. J.D. Vaughan Roberts. Higher National Certificate in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Coleg Cymwyth, Nantgar. David Maximus Chandler. Robert George Alex Dixon. Jacob John Ellie. Danny Hanson Taylor. Zach Jones. Daniel Keith May. Caleb Brandon Miller. Nicholas James Raby. Jamie John Thomas. Corey Lee Russell Vinning. Nathan Lloyd Williams. Higher National Certificate in Mechanical Engineering, Aaron Marshall. Higher National Certificate in Mechanical Engineering, Coleg Gwent Crosskeys, Callum Mates. Carolee Price. Reuben Riley. Higher National Certificate in Mechanical Engineering, Coleg Gwent Hive, Caleb Meredith. Higher National Certificate in Mechanical Engineering, Coleg y Cymoedd, Nantgar, Talila E.J. Nicol Eddy. Patrick James Lafan. Brodie Connor Tamplin. Ethan Widrington. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Ibrahim Gabru. The Master of Science in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Alan Binu. The Master of Science in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Ayitazaz Ahmed. The Master of Science in Renewable Energy and Sustainable Technology, Sajad Akash. Higher National Certificate in Mechanical Engineering, Coleg Gwent Crosskeys, Lucas Shamolski. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Shafin Imitiaz Shimanto. The Master of Science in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Olusola Olabodu. Master of Science in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Christian Chibikie Ozua. The Postgraduate Diploma in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Fulukemi Rosalind Faladi. The Master of Science in Construction Project Management, Mohammed Essa Khan. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Engineering and Maintenance Systems, Dawan Resha bin Rahan. The Master of Science in Construction Project Management, Haris Javed Lord. The Master of Science in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Shafkat Ali Khan. The Master of Science in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Chimazi Miracle Akubuobi. The Master of Science in Aviation Engineering and Management, Afan Sohaib. The Master of Science in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Michael Chakwanosu Akulwulu. The Master of Science in Safety, Health and Environmental Management, Chisum Kevin Akpuafo. The Master of Science in Construction Project Management, Jawad Mumtaz Tabasam. The Master of Science in Construction Project Management, Hasham bin Malik. The Master of Science in Construction Project Management, Abbas Khan. The Master of Science in Construction Project Management, Muhammad Umar. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science.
If you say congratulations 400 times, you need a little bit of water. Excuse me. Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. That was great. We have a running competition, we probably don't tell you about sort of graduate ceremony of the day, and you've been the best today, so well done. It ought not be a surprise to me, I guess, because my wife is a civil engineer and she tells me engineers and scientists are the best people in the world, so I'm sure she's right. So today isn't just about this ceremony, which will be over soon. I've got like 15, 20 minutes and then we're done. I'm kidding. It's a celebration. Which will hopefully go on for you all afterwards, around your perseverance, your growth, and also the promise of what comes next. And you heard from our Vice-Chancellor about the ways in which we hope that you will contribute to the world going forward. It is a significant milestone in your lives, and it's a moment of immense pride for us gathered here. Again, you heard from the Vice-Chancellor asking you to thank a couple of groups. I think we should do so again. You can never thank people too much. So behind you are your parents, families, friends. And it's their day too, and they've tried to support you and encourage and reassure you in moments of doubt. And let's give them a round of applause again. Thank you. And then behind me on the stage, everyone on this stage and in our campuses shares in your pride, and this is a high point of the university year for us. So I'd like to also pay tribute to the nearly 3,000 staff members who've taught you, mentored you, supported you, fed you, counselled you, and occasionally nudged you in the right direction. Their commitment to your success is at the heart of everything we do, so thank you very much. But today is above all about you, our graduates. So you have achieved something extraordinary. You've not only mastered the subjects, but you've also developed the ability to think critically, challenge assumptions, engage with complex issues in a spirit of respect and curiosity. And these are timeless skills, not just in the subjects that you've been studying and the work you might do going forward, but in life. We're proud that the education you've received here is highly valued by our employers, but more than that, we're proud of the way in which it's transforming lives, your lives, and the lives of the communities you will go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful, engaged citizens. As you step into the next chapter of your lives, we hope you carry with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. You are now alumni of ours, which means you are ambassadors for this university and for the ideals that we stand for. Wherever your journey takes you, we hope you'll stay connected, continue to grow, and inspire others as you have inspired us. Congratulations and well done. Llun and Diane to each and every one of you. Our warmest wishes go with you for your continued success and happiness. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. Please may I invite all those who are able to stand for the national anthem. Thanks very much.